Hello, dear friends. How are you? I hope you all are safe. In a previous lecture, we saw whatever ionization enthalpy in addition to metallic character of transition elements. Okay. In that we saw applications of ionization enthalpies. We saw the relation between first, second, and third ionization enthalpy of first, second, and third transition series. Okay, now in today's lecture, we are going to discuss electrode potentials. Okay, so that electrode potential you maybe saw in your redox reaction NCERT textbook. Okay, understood. More negative value oxidation, or we can say oxidizing agent. Okay, positive value or reducing agent, like that one charts are there. Okay, electrode potential values. Okay, so see here electrode potentials, electrode potential. Now see here in electrode potential what will be the most important part. Suppose जब हम बात करें in solution the stability of compound, in solution beta the stability of the compounds depend on the electrode potentials. In solution the stability of compound depend on what? Electrode potential. Therefore in addition to ionization enthalpies, the other factors also responsible for this. So other factors which are those? See here sublimation energy, okay, and hydration energy. Okay. In addition, what? Or we can say enthalpy of sublimation, or we can say hydration enthalpy. Okay. So in addition to this ionization enthalpy, these two enthalpies are important. Okay, for the stability of compounds. So suppose if any metal, so as you know, always your metal is in what? Yes, metal is in what? In always solid state. Okay. So how we can write the reaction? Say metal, say beta, metal in solid. That gives what? It converted into M aqueous plus electron minus. So these are what beta? Yes, very good. Oxidation. Okay, oxidation. Loss of electrons. So always you know metals are what? Electropositive. Okay, understood. And they will what? Lose electrons. Now at that time, see here what will happen. So this reaction we can show in three different steps. एंड कुल मिला के हमको क्या मिलेगा? M solid that gives what? M plus aqueous plus electron minus. ठीक है? So see carefully which are those three steps. So first in that, see here, first M solid, how our metal is reached to this metal M plus aqueous state. ठीक है? So for that first metal solid is converted into what? Metal gaseous. Okay, so that we call it as a what beta? Enthalpy of what beta? Sublimation. Enthalpy of sublimation, or we can denote like this, del sublimation H. Okay, like this. Second जब हम बात करें, your this metal gaseous, okay, metal gaseous, it's converted into what? Converted into its ions. So like this, M plus gaseous plus what? 1 electron minus. So here what we call enthalpy of ionization, or we can say what? Ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy. Okay. Now in third what will happen? See here. In third case, whatever this M plus gaseous ठीक है. M plus gaseous is converted into what? M plus aqueous. ठीक है. So we call it as a what? Yes, very good. Hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy. So कुल मिला के what will happen? See here, this overall reaction become M. This whatever gaseous, this will cancel. Like these also will cancel, and you will get what? Yes, you will get beta overall like this M solid. Okay, that gives what? M plus aqueous plus electron minus, or we can say one electron minus. So here what? Your atom, that is M, is also balanced. Okay, and your electron also balanced. So these are what be the important criteria of your important criteria of your whatever electrode potential. Okay, I hope you understood this thing regarding your electrode potential. Now we will see how we can apply this. Okay, this overall reaction. Suppose overall delta H, if you are considering. Now how we can apply this? So see, concentrate on this. Our next, in that only, what beta electrode potential. Okay. So see here beta. See. So concentrate on this. As you know, we can write easily whatever delta H is equal to what we done. Delta H of sublimation plus what? Ionization enthalpy plus what? Your hydration enthalpy. Okay. Now here one of the important trend is responsible, and that important trend is what? The smaller. So you have to mention beta. Okay. You have to mention the smaller the value of total energy change, the smaller the value of total energy change for a particular oxidation state. ठीक है, for a particular oxidation state in aqueous solution, greater will be the stability of that. Greater will be the stability of oxidation state. Okay. Now see the next important statement. The lower the electrode potential, the lower the electrode potential. Okay. That is we can say more negative, more negative the standard reduction potential of electrode, the more stable is the oxidation state of metal in what beta? Aqueous solution. Okay. So these are two important statements in your electrode potential. So we will see example. Okay. How the electrode potential values it will affect in the oxidation state. So don't worry about this. So pay attention beta. Okay, so see here their values they gave as like this. See here beta, here what we can write element, here what electrodes, that is standard electrode potential values of M2 plus aqueous slash A means what, reduction, plus 2 to 0 means what, reduction that values in volt, in what beta, volt. So see here element titanium, these few values are given. इसका T वक्र वन ऑफ एको निकुंजन. Okay, as you know this, say their value minus 1.63, minus 1.18, okay, minus 0.90, minus 1.18, okay, minus 0.49, minus 0.28, minus 0.25, plus 0.34, and here what, minus 0.76. These are values all in volt only. Okay. Now see here, lower the electropotential value, that is what beta, more negative standard reduction potential of electrode, more stable is the oxidation state of metal in aqueous solution. More negatives here, titanium is there, vanadium also there, okay, then your manganese also there. These are what, more stable oxidation state here. Okay, so I hope you wrote this beta. No need to keep in mind is all values. ठीक आहे, हे तुम्हाला परत एकदा एका टॉपिक मध्ये शिकायचं आहे फिजिकल केमिस्ट्रीच्या. त्याच्यामध्ये त्या मेटलचे तुम्हाला व्हॅल्यूज जे आहेत त्या व्होल्ट मध्ये दिलेल्या असतील. ठीक आहे, रिडक्शन मीन्स प्लस 2 to 0 मीन्स व्हॉट बेटा, रिडक्शन. अंडरस्टूड. सो डोंट वरी, हे तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचं नाही व्हॅल्यू, ओनली दीज स्टेटमेंट्स आर इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, so pay attention. I hope you are writing in your notes. Beta carefully you have to write, and everyone you have to attend doubt session compulsory. Okay, means whatever doubts will come after lectures, after watching lectures. So for better understanding, okay, for better revision, you need to attend compulsory doubt session. Okay, these are what beta interaction between live interaction. So you may ask from your content any questions. Okay, so you have to, it's my humble request to share your doubts on personal chat, as well as you have to attend compulsory Google Meet of our chemistry doubt discussion. Okay, so see here, next we will discuss trends in different oxidation states. So we saw plus M2 plus 2 0, that is reduction. Okay, now we are going to discuss about reduction, but in different oxidation states. So see here, trends in M3 plus M2 plus standard electrode potential. Okay. Now see here, except beta copper and zinc, all other elements of first Johnson series shows +3 oxidation state. Except what beta, copper and zinc, other all they are showing what, +3, commonly +3 oxidation state. Okay, so whatever the standard reduction potential of M3 plus and M2 plus, that is redox couple, we are calling it the what, redox couple. So that few values we will discuss here. So pay attention, the values of that, say element, okay, element So element after that what? Standard. Standard means what? E naught. Standard means what beta? E naught. So see here E naught. ठीक है? M3 plus M2 plus both are in aqueous because beta what? Once the oxidation number will come, when it will come? When we are dissolving water. Here also that value is in volt only. So CL we will discuss. T Vakra Mana. We are discussing few only of that elements. Okay. So see here about their values. Check clarity. Say values of this 0.37 minus 0.26 minus 0.41. Okay, see here plus 1.57 plus 0.77 and plus 1.97. These all values are in what? Electrode. These all values in volt only. Okay. So see here, what will happen? Whatever these values of, why these values are different? Because we are considering oxidation number with M3 plus and M2 plus. So here also we need to what? We need to write few important statements. Okay, why here negative values, why here positive values. So concentrate on this. Okay, the high values, say the high value of, see, are you considering the high value plus 1.57? No doubt your cobalt also high values. Okay, so that also we will discuss. Say important statement, the high value of manganese shows that Mn plus 2, yes, Mn plus 2, as you know, which configuration? Day-phi configuration. But beta, Day-phi configuration. And it is more stable. And it is what? More stable. Okay. And Fe also somehow positive value. So Fe shows what? Fe shows the extra stability of Fe3 plus having what? Same Day-phi configuration. Understood? Now here, whatever low value or we can say more negative value of vanadium is related to stability of V2 plus. Okay. See the low values of your vanadium because it is stabilized in CFT theory, crystal field theory. So are you remembering crystal field theory also from our coordination compound? Okay. Understood. So see here, therefore these are having high positive value here because extra stability of D5 configuration. Okay. Now cobalt. So see, CO2 plus and CO3 plus both are stable, but more stable is what? CO3 plus, because they are when they are combined with complexing ligands, it form what? More stable complexes. Okay. Understood. Therefore having more positive value of cobalt. With the help of more complexing ligand, they act as a stable complexes. Okay. So these are all about what? Yes, these are all about your electrode potential. What beta? Electrode potential. Okay, we discussed about trend in M2 plus M and M3 plus M2 plus. Means no doubt both are what? Standard reduction potential values only. And same value, and most common values we are using what? M2 plus M. Okay. In electrochemistry topic also there, in redox reaction topics also there. नो नीड टू बाय हार्ट दिस व्हॅल्यू, ते तुम्हाला दिलेले असणार आहे. ठीक आहे क्वेश्चन मध्ये. सो सी हियर we will discuss here one question. So write down that question. Say q dot. ठीक है. The standard electropotential value of M2 plus M for copper is positive. Okay, how much it is? Plus 0.34 volt. What is the possible reason for this? What is a possible reason? They want reason. What is the possible reason for this? Okay. Understood? So see here. So one thing here, keep in mind, whatever M2 plus and M value is depends on your enthalpy of what? Yes, enthalpy of, means whatever standard electropotential values is depends on your enthalpy of atomization. So enthalpy of atomization, what we call solid to gaseous. Okay? Solid to gaseous, then it is depends on enthalpy of ionization, that is ionization enthalpy. Okay, then hydration enthalpy also. So in the case of copper, the high value of enthalpy of atomization. Okay, so see here what will happen. What beta I have already told, whatever standard electropotential value it depends on what? Enthalpy of atomization, enthalpy of ionization, that is ionization enthalpy, hydration enthalpy, these all. So in case of copper, what will happen? Say, in the case of copper, high value of enthalpy of atomization. So enthalpy of atomization means what? Solid is converted into gaseous, and beta low value of what? Enthalpy of hydration. Okay, it makes electropotential value of Cu2 plus Cu is what? Beta positive. That is, we already discussed this value. How much it is value? Yes, plus 0.34 volt. Okay, so it is a answer. You have to keep in mind this answer. Understood? Means whatever electropotential depends on enthalpy of atomization, so we call it as a what? Sublimation, then ionization enthalpy, then hydration enthalpies. Okay, so beta, it is very much important to keep in mind this all. Okay, so I hope you understood handwriting also clearly. Okay, then you can write easily. So we will discuss our next. See, we will discuss beta next point. So concentrate on this next point. Okay. In this hour, whatever part is going on, okay, whatever our this electropotential is going on, in that only we are going to discuss what? Okay. So see here, we will discuss beta trends in stabilities of higher oxidation states. Okay. What beta? Trends, say, whatever our part is going on in electrode potentials only. See, trends in stability of stability of higher oxidation states. Higher oxidation states. So pay attention. As you know, the higher oxidation states are generally shown among the halides and oxides only. Because of what? Your fluorine is more electronegative, your oxygen also more electronegative. But among these most electronegative, as you know, what beta? Fluorine. Okay. So pay attention. So first we will discuss among the metal halides what will happen in the metal halides. Okay. Metal halides. So pay attention. Metal halides. The transition elements reacts with halogen. Whatever the transition elements we are studying, okay, it is when it reacts with halogens at high temperature to form what? Transition metal halides. Okay, and therefore we can consider the order of reactivity of halogen. Okay, so see, order of reactivity of halogen, as you know, yes beta, F2, then Cl2, Br2, and last your what? I2, fluoro, chloro, bromo, I2. Okay, now see, we will discuss what are the halides of first transition series as the examples. Okay, so see here, halides of first transition series. Okay, so say elements we will write now, and what oxidation number we will mention. So say here what your elements, and here what beta? Downside your oxidation states. So see beta, Skate, as you know, Skate, Vakra, Mana, Fekoni, Kunjana. Okay, Skate, Vakra, Mana, Fekoni, Kunjana. Now see the oxidation number +6. So beta, when +6, your compound of halogen, yes, ready, CrF6. Now when you're +5, at that time, yes, very good, VF5. What beta? VF5. Like that, CrF5 also there. When oxidation number +4, at that time, titanium also showing TiX4, your vanadium also showing VX4, chromium also showing CrX4, and manganese also Mn. What beta? Special F4 only. Now yes, you are observing, I know, +3. Yes, +3 what? Scandium, SCX3. X is what? Your halogen, as you know beta. See what will happen about your titanium. Yes, titanium also showing TiX3 as like this, VX3, okay, CrX3, yes beta, MnF3 also showing, okay, Fe. So beta, I am writing here Fe. Okay, you draw properly with lines. Okay, FeX3, cobalt also what? COF3. Okay, now +2. See here, what about +2? So see +2 beta, yes, TiX2, Okay, VX2 halogen containing compound. Higher oxygen state, metal halides. Okay. MnX2, as you know, MnCl2, like these compounds also there. Yes, FeX2 also there. COX2, Ni also, NiCl2, NiBr2. Okay, NiX2. Yes, very good. CuX2, CuCl2, CuBr2. Okay. And what? ZnX2 also they are showing. So I hope you understood this all. Beta, write down clearly. Okay. Understood? So we will discuss regarding about our copper, most important thing. Okay. With a halogen. About copper we will discuss. So pay attention. I hope you wrote this clearly. In this metal halide only, because it belongs to metal halide, copper is metal, your iodine is what? Halide. So say other they are forming CuCl2, CuBr2. So somewhere CuI2 they are also forming. So we will see about copper. So see important statement about this copper. All copper second halides are known except the iodides, and it is because why? Whatever Cu2 plus oxidizes, I minus to what beta? I2. How it will be the oxidized? Because I minus -1 to 0. I minus here -1 oxidation number, I2 is 0, so -1 चा 0 झाला म्हणजे काय झालं? वाढला oxidation number, so what? Oxidation reaction. ठीक आहे? When oxidation number will increase, oxidation number will decrease, reduction. This thing you know better. ठीक है? और मालूम होना भी चाहिए because it is very much important. ठीक है? On the basis of this, we are going to deal reactions also. Okay, in DNA, already we some reaction we discussed in previous topic, that is P block element. ठीक है? And one more important thing, beta, if you are facing any doubts in coordination compounds also, P block elements also, okay, without hesitation you may ask anytime. ठीक है? It's my humble request to share your doubts and you attend Google Meet compulsory. ठीक है? See, so we will discuss with the reaction. So say whatever Cu2 plus. So how beta say your Cu2 plus this iodide ion, it convert into what? Cu2I2 plus what beta? I2, like this. So for balancing here 2, here what beta? 4. Okay, understood? So copper oxidizes, मग स्वतःचं काय झालं कॉपरचं? रिडक्शन. मीन्स here Cu2 plus, here what? +1. Okay, Cu2I2, we call it as a what? Cuprous iodide. Understood? I hope you understood this thing clearly. ठीक है? Check clarity. Say, so you can balance with whatever balance, you can reaction also. See, atoms are balanced. 2Cu, 2Cu, 4 iodine, 4 iodine. Atom balance. Now what? Charge balance here 2, 4 plus and is 4 negative charge. So 0, beta here no any charge, so here also 0 means charge also our balance. Okay, so they will ask question like this: Cu2 plus iodide, this part will missing, and complete the following reaction. Okay, so you can complete easily. Okay, because as you know Cu2 plus is oxidizes. Oxidize means itself what? Reduces. Okay. Now one more remarkable statement also there about your copper. So you can write many copper. See beta, many copper first ion, or we can say many copper first compounds are unstable, or what beta, unstable in aqueous solution. So why these are unstable in aqueous solution? Because they undergoes, because whatever this Cu first ion undergoes disproportionation reaction. What beta? Disproportionation reaction. So how this disproportionation reaction? As like this, copper first means what? Cu plus. So see here, that gives what? Cu2 plus Cu. So for balancing you can write here what? 2. So our beta atoms are balanced, charge also balanced. So see how it is disproportionation reaction. Here what? Copper beta plus 1, here what? Beta plus 2, and here 0 means plus 1 2 plus 2 what? Plus 1 2 plus 2, oxidation number increase. So what beta? We call it as oxidation. And when plus 1 to what beta? 0 decrease. So this is what? Reduction. Therefore it belongs to what? Disproportionation reaction. I hope you understood this thing clearly. Okay, so they will ask question, why Cu first or copper first ion is unstable in aqueous solution? Due to this reaction. At that time you need to write a reaction. Okay, so carefully, very much important this all. Okay, so beta you have to write this. Now we will discuss second. We discuss about metal halides. Now we will discuss about oxides and oxocations of what? Transition metals. Okay. So pay attention. Whatever our going on what? Trends in stabilities of higher oxidation states. Okay. In that we are discussing our part. First part we discuss about metal halides, and now what? In metal oxides and oxocations. So see here, in metal oxides and what beta? Oxocations. Okay, so here also oxidation number, then elements. Okay, so beta pay attention. See, element, okay, oxidation state, element here, whatever oxidation state downside element you can write, as you know, skate vakra mana fekoni kunjana. Okay, so see here, with respect to oxidation state, so when I am writing here +7, okay, so at that time which compound of oxide? Yes, very good, of manganese, that is Mn2O7. When beta plus 6, okay, plus 6, at that time what will come? CrO3. When plus 5 will come, at that time your vanadium, that is V2O5. When beta plus 4 will come, at that time TiO2, okay, V2O4, CrO2, and what? MnO2 also possible. Beta, you can write with the lines, okay, for better understanding. Plus 3, are you observing of plus 3? Sc2O3, okay, Ti2O3, V2O3, Cr2O3, Cr beta, Mn2O3, of iron also we can mention Fe2O3, okay, of beta plus 2, so say TiO, VO, MnO, all these compounds are known. FeO, okay. After that what? FeO, thereafter what? Yes, COO, NiO also possible, okay. CuO, ZnO. Understood? I hope you understood this all. And about plus 1, beta, plus 1 you can mention of your copper. So I am writing here, you can mention downside of plus 1 oxidation number, what? Cu2O. What beta? Cu2O. In that your copper is what? Plus 1, cuprous oxide. Okay. So I hope you understood. And beta, we will mention some mixed oxides. So see here, mixed oxides, how it is. Okay. See here, mixed oxides as like this, having formula Mn3O4, okay, Fe3O4, CO3O4, like this. Understood? So it is very much important, this all compounds. I hope you understood this all compounds clearly. Now we will discuss about chemical reactivity with respect to their electropotential values. Okay, chemical reactivity. So pay attention on that chemical reactivity. Whatever this chemical reactivity, we already discussed about electropotential of M2 plus M, then M3 plus M2 plus, like that reduction potential we discuss. Okay, few more interesting fact we will discuss about chemical reactivity and electropotential values. So see here, concentrate, okay, chemical, okay, chemical reactivity and electropotential values. Okay. So in comparison of what? Electropotential values of M2 plus M and M3 plus M2 plus. So see here, we will write, they gives us interesting observation. So as you know, here we are writing what? Element, okay, check clarity, elements here, vanadium, chromium, okay, manganese, iron, cobalt. Okay. Now see electropotential values of M2 plus M in volt, and what beta electrode potential values of M3 plus M2 plus in volt. So see here how much that values, minus 1.18, minus 0.90, minus 1.18, minus 0.44, minus 0.20, okay, minus 0.26, 0.41, 1.57, plus 0.77, and what, plus 1.97. Okay, so see here, are you observing what you are observing here? The M3 plus M2 plus electropotential values of Mn is highest. Why it is highest? Because whatever M3 plus is act as a what? Oxidizing agent. Beta, it acts as the oxidizing agent, means for itself produce as like this. Mn3 plus easily converted into Mn2 plus. Because see here, because why? Very much important. As you know, Mn is what beta? 3d5 4s2 when Mn3 plus. So at that time what will come? 3d4. Okay, so they will easily what? Easily takes one electron. Okay, so d5 converted into d5. Understood? And that d5 is what? Half filled. Half filled. This d5 is half filled and it is more stable. Okay. Same about for your cobalt I discuss. With the help of complexing ligands, what? With the help of complexing ligands, it will act as a stable, it will form stable complexes. Okay. So see here, one more important statement is what? One more important statement about your this series, that also we will mention beta. So here we will write, on the other hand, the ions V2 plus and Cr2 plus are strong what? Reducing agent. Are strong what beta? Reducing agent. So why it is strong reducing agent? So as you know, reducing agent means what? It has a tendency to liberate H2 gas and will what beta? And will liberate what? H2 gas from a dilute acid. So we can write here reaction beta without wasting time. So see here, suppose हम बात करें Cr2 plus की, so Cr2 plus when it is in aqueous state plus acid, dilute acid, okay, so it will be what? Converted into Cr3 plus, okay, and what? H2 gaseous, here it will evolve. So for balancing you can write here 2, here also 2, here also 2. Okay, our reaction is balanced. Basically strong reducing agent means what? It has a tendency to remove hydrogen, and that hydrogen only responsible for reduction purpose. Okay, therefore this Cr2 plus is act as the reducing agent. Okay, so I hope you understood whatever today's content of our topic. What beta? Yes, of our topic DNA block. In that we deeply discuss here electrode potential. In that electrode potential we discuss what about metal halides, metal oxide, their oxocations with reference to chemical reactivity, whether it is why it is oxidizing agent, why it is reducing agent. So these are all about very much important thing. Okay. Now see here we will conclude this our lecture. So thank you very much. Take care and stay safe.